I am on my way to a lymph detox. I've been thinking about doing this for a while because I try to do like my own like lymph massages just to, you know, get the fluids moving, you know, and just properly flush my body out. A lot of the places I was looking at when I was trying to find one like gave like, you know, it was catered to like more like post-op patients and things like that. So I had to find one that was for detox, and I'm pretty sure the facilities, like you can, wherever they do post-op surgeries, I'm sure they just do like regular like lymph massages as well. But this one that I'm doing it for my face. Hopefully I can get like a good deep puff situation going on, and I'm gonna get it for my body. And yeah, I'm not nervous. I think I'm excited just to kind of see the results. Yeah, so I didn't eat anything this morning. I wanted to make sure that I didn't, you know, I wasn't bloated when I went. But they recommend you drink lots of water so that, you know, your body can flush, you know, things out when you do go. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. So come along with me. I'm gonna let you know how it goes. I think mine is 90 minutes because I'm doing my face and my body. So yeah, so here's everything I brought. I brought my bonnet because I get massages too, right? I get massages, like regular massages, because I'd be so tense. So I brought my bonnet. Highly recommend. Bring your bonnet, girlies, if you have your hair done, everything. A pin, something won't suffice. I don't want no hair on me when I'm, you know, getting my massages or whatever done. So I brought my bonnet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Just my bonnet and my slippers. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm about 8 minutes away, so I will see you guys when we get there. I'm back, guys. That was great. I actually really enjoyed that. Yeah, I think the difference between that massage and like a typical, like, I usually get like deep tissue massages. I think the difference is, you know, obviously the technique. She focused like a lot on my, you know, areas with like cellulite. My favorite part was the stomach. I think that was my favorite part. I could just hear like she was, you know, pushing on my stomach and like really massaging it and, you know, really getting in there, and I could hear like the gases like in my stomach release. And so I really liked that. The only thing is I wish she went like a little deeper in some areas. Like I love me a deep massage. Like don't give me like no soft massage. Like go in deep, girl. I will see you guys back at home. Okay, so I have a delivery and I already saw it on my camera, but I want everyone to see it too. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot. These are so cute. Look at these. Y'all, these flowers are so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little purse. Look at it. Y'all see the handle in there? Shout out to all the girlfriends. Today's August 1st. It's Girlfriend's Day. So hopefully all my girlies are getting treated right, period. Good morning, guys. It is 10 a.m. I decided to have a beach day. I'm lying. I was at the beach 2 weeks ago. And yeah, I kind of like starting off my Saturdays, just getting some sun and like, you know, yeah. So we're having a beach day, y'all. We're having a beach day and we're all ready. Am I whispering? Sorry if I'm whispering because I feel like my neighbors can hear me. And yeah, we just went with the cute green bikini top today. I do want to re-get my tan. I feel like the tan I got 2, 3 weeks ago is coming off and I really want that summer look. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get our tan again. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like pick up something too just to like sip on or eat like while I'm on the beach. I'm probably gonna spend like 2 hours, 3 hours there, just chilling and everything. But let me show you what I'm bringing to the beach really quick. I already filmed it for TikTok. If y'all follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. But here's what I'm bringing. So I'm bringing my cute little tote bag with 2 towels. I feel like I need like a bigger beach towel. I'm gonna get a bigger beach towel. We have our other purse here that we're gonna bring with us because this has everything in it. I don't feel like transferring stuff, forgetting stuff. So yeah. And we have our headphones, we have our book. Y'all, I'm so embarrassed. I've been reading this book for a year. I've been reading this book for a year and I'm so embarrassed. And it's like I actually like the book too. It's just like I be I just don't be putting time to read it. So I'm gonna read this book while I'm at the beach because I need to finish it. And I'm always forgetting the plot. I'm always forgetting the plot. And it's like, oh my gosh, what is this girl's name again? What happened? But it's actually really tea. It's called All Her Little Secrets. And it's actually really tea. Like it's not even it's a interesting book. And I just never put time to read it. And it's not hard or anything like, you know, but we're gonna read that book, okay? So let me see. Ooh, I kind of want like a chicken wrap or something. You know, I want the full beach vibe, you know? So I'm probably gonna get like a chicken wrap or something, probably like a cold drink. I'm trying to figure out what to get, but I'm gonna see you guys when I go to the beach. Forget the glasses. I think I got these from Fashion Nova. No, Amazon. I got these from Amazon as well. So here's the full beach look minus the slippers. We're gonna go ahead and just slip on some cute slippers today for the beach. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a relaxing day. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. We're gonna go lower our cortisol levels, okay? Lower our cortisol levels and just have a nice time at the beach, you know? I think that's like the plus of living in California for me. Like, I love me a beach. I love me a beach. Like, but yeah. All right, see you guys then.